Hello, fifth grade. How are you? I hope you are all okay. God bless you. I want to tell you that I miss you all. Today's lesson is lesson 5.7, How Scientists Measured and Understood Light. Hi, how are you? Miss you all. Today's lesson is about how scientists measured and understood light. The main lesson today is about rainbows, قوس القزح. Our lesson is lesson 5.7, page 78. Today I've made for you a video and recording about the lesson and some videos from the YouTube so as to understand how does rainbow form and the main colors of the rainbow and about the prism which is the المنشور الزجاجي and how light forms or how light gets in the prism and split into the 7 colors which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Hope you will enjoy and understand everything. Goodbye. God bless you. How scientists measured and understood light. Scientists have tried to explain and understand the things that they observed about light. 1. Scientists would have an idea about light, and then another scientist would collect new evidence and change the data. إنه عالم بيكتشف، عالم تاني بيلاقي معلومة تانية وبعدين بيجمعوا المعلومات. The main lesson today is about rainbows, قوس القزح. You can see a rainbow when drops of water in the air are hit by sunlight at certain angle. امتى بنشوف قوس القزح؟ لما قطرات الماء في الجو تلامس أشعة الشمس في زاوية معينة. You see a rainbow when the sun is shining and it is raining. When the sun is shining and it is raining. If you look at page 79 in your book, you see something called prism اللي هو المنشور الزجاجي. المنشور الزجاجي. When sunlight passes through a prism, لما أشعة الشمس تخترق من المنشور الزجاجي، طبعا هو مادة شفافة زجاج. Through a prism it bends. شو بصير في الضوء في الأشعة الضوئية؟ ينحرف عن مساره. So when sunlight passes through a prism it bends. ينحرف عن مساره. بنقول إنه ينكسر. هذا اسمه انكسار الضوء. This is called refraction. So repeat with me. What happens when sunlight passes through a prism? It bends. That's right. We call this refraction. انكسار الضوء. So look here. Sunlight passes through the prism. It will bend. Look here. This is the point of bending. محل ما بنحرف أو بنسميه بنكسر بيبين كأنه مكسور. This is called refraction. White light is a mix of colors. الضوء الأبيض هو مجموعة من الألوان. These are 7 colors in order. دايما بنشوفهم بالترتيب. These makes the color of rainbow. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. أحمر، برتقالي، أصفر، أخضر، أزرق، نيلي، بنفسجي. Repeat with me. What are the 7 colors of the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. I want you to concentrate in the indigo اللي هو نيلي. النيلي هو مش أزرق ولا كحلي. In between. We call it indigo. Thank you all. I hope it's an easy lesson and you enjoyed it. Now you can watch the videos attached. Thank you.